Hey there, thanks for stopping by manlybands.com to check out some of our fantastic bands. I have one right here inside of this box, but I'm not gonna open it quite yet. Just kidding. Yeah, let's get right into it because why waste time? It comes to you in our beautiful wood grain box, shipped as classy as possible, and inside this classy card welcoming you to the Manly Bands family. Inside, there's a QR code because we dig that sort of thing. There's some customer service information in case you need to have a heart-to-heart. And there's some pictures in there telling you about how to tag individuals on social media. Specifically us, specifically you. So do that as soon as you get your band in the mail. Inside, there we have it, the Excavator. The Excavator is black zirconium with a 4mm inlay of genuine dinosaur bone, tan in color, along with a tan Cerakote sleeve. That Cerakote makes that ring slip on just so smooth. It's a 7mm wide dome design, so just perfect fit all around. Now, understand you might be asking the question, you hear about all this dinosaur bone, what kind of dinosaur is it? Dead ones. Inside, we've also got our black silicone band that comes with every purchase, perfect for every occasion. And inside also, we have some special promotional offers of people that we like to partner with that we think are going to bring you great deals because we think you're great, and we also have pretty high confidence and we think we're great too. So, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Excavator on manlybands.com.